What is this? This one. This one. This one. This one.
Where?
This one.
No.
Oh, this one. This one. What's this?
Hello.
Oh, this one. Rectangle. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? Knock, 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 knock. I'm not a stranger. Oh, what's this one? Oval. This one? Heart. Oh, they don't know this yet. This one is triangle. What's this fruit? Banana. This one is cracker. This one is white. Oh, this one is water. This one is milk. Milk is white. This one is shoes. What's the color of the shoes? Black. Okay. This one is this one. Huwag natin siyang pangunahan. May sarili siyang lingwahe. Thanks for watching. Where is Sam? Sa likod. Where is Sam?
Hindi pa, yung atay ng post, no?
Go! Running! Oh, go! Ah. Rabbit. Meow. Huh? Meow. Go. Meow. How about the dog? Whoop.
Kita ko si Julie, mag-chat sa akin, pupunta ko siya ng MU. Sam, huwag kang gumanyan!
Meow. O, paano yung frog? Rabbit. A butterfly. Fly like a butterfly. Fly like a butterfly. How about the bird? Sam. Bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Where's the unicorn? Where is the unicorn? Where is the unicorn? Show them up. This one is? This is? Turtle? Oh, show them the turtle. Show them the turtle. That is a... Oh, what's this? What's that? Turtle, turtle, turtle. Sit down first, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Oh, where do you... This one is letters. Oh, put it down, put it down. Put it down, put it down, put it down. This is a clock. Clock. Oh. Where do you put this? Where do you put this? This one, where do you put?
Yeah.
Pagkakaabalahan ba ang hanap mo para sa babying katulad niya? Try nyo na po itong mga puzzle na ito. Para po yan sa enhancement ng development ng kanilang brain at memorizing. What's this number, bebe? What's this? What's this number? Oh, hello. Try nyo na po mga puzzle na to.
Grow. Big. Duck. Big. No. Papa, what? Duck.
You put like this. This is for the numbers. Where na? Saan na? Saan na? Talaga naman si Momo. Nabibideo ako eh. This one? What's this number?
One. One.
This
Come
one,
on,
what's
one.
letter? What letter? What letter is this? Sam?
Dad.
Ang bata batuta, ang bata batuta. Oh, what happened? Are you tired? Are you tired? I thought you're tired. Oh, kulang tayo ng 2 letters. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and follow for more.
Happy. Wow.
Huh? What's this one?
Bye.
Butterfly. This one? This one? Baby shark.
Winner.
Hmm? What's this one?
Big ball.
Cool.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Who is this?
Happy.
Chappy. This one. Who's this?
Mimi.
Minnie. This one. This one. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? What's this one?
Back.
Map. This one. This one. Hmm. Sam. Sam. Sabi mo, minsan lang to. Nagkalat ang toys ko. Minsan lang to. Sam. Sam. Alo. Suplada na. Hindi ako pinapansin na. Suplada na ikaw ah. Palibasa, nakalabas yung toy mo eh. Ah. Where's shark? Where is the shark? Where's the shark? Yeah, behind you. Behind you. Oh, there's a shark. Oh.
Yay!
Yay, minsan lang. Sabi ko mahulog ka dyan eh. Huwag ka dyan. Halika dito ka sa kabila. Ay, sabi ko mahulog ka dyan, hindi pwede dyan. Ay, ipipilit niya talaga.
Mommy!
nagsusumbong pa sa mami niya. Oh, di ba? Oh. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, hulog ka eh. See you later.